Have you ever dreamed of baking the perfect cookie? Baking cookies creates memories, but achieving consistent perfection can be tough. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, enhancing your baking skills is always possible. This ultimate guide from familycookbookproject.com shares expert tips to make your cookie baking journey fruitful and fun. Let's start with the basics. Quality ingredients set the foundation for great cookies. Quality ingredients set the foundation for great cookies. Different sugars, like brown and white, contribute to texture and flavor. Choosing the right flour and measuring accurately is vital. Don't forget about eggs. Room temperature eggs ensure a smooth dough. Measuring accurately is essential because baking is a science. A kitchen scale can provide precise measurements. Remember, use liquid measuring cups for liquid ingredients and dry cups for dry ingredients. Level dry ingredients for accuracy. Next, let's dive into mixing techniques. Cream the butter and sugar until pale and fluffy for light cookies. Mix dry ingredients separately before adding them to wet ingredients. Avoid overmixing, as this results in tough cookies. Now, let's enhance flavor and texture. Chilling dough prevents spreading and deepens flavor. Chill for at least 30 minutes, or up to overnight. Explore different extracts like vanilla and almond. Adding spices like cinnamon and nutmeg can elevate flavors too. Don't overlook texture add-ins. Use high-quality chocolate and experiment with nuts and dried fruits. Toasting nuts enhances their taste, making your cookies even more delicious. Next, let's perfect our baking techniques. Use light-colored, heavy-duty baking sheets to avoid overbrowning. Always line your sheets with parchment paper for easy removal and even cooking. Preheating your oven is crucial. Use an oven thermometer for precision. Timing is everything. Follow baking time suggestions, but check a few minutes early. Rotate sheets halfway through for even baking. After baking, transfer cookies to a cooling rack to prevent overbaking. Flat cookies could mean too much butter or warm dough. Chilling it, adding flour, or reducing butter can help. If your cookies are dry, overmixing or overbaking might be to blame. Mix just until combined and measure flour accurately. Now let's talk about documenting your perfected recipes using familycookbookproject.com. It's fun and easy to compile your best cookie recipes, organized into fun categories, into a personal cookbook. A personal cookbook make a great heartfelt gift for family and friends. Perfecting your cookie baking will be a rewarding journey filled with science, creativity, and love. By mastering these skills, you'll enjoy delicious, consistently perfect cookies. So, roll up your sleeves, preheat your oven, and dive into the joy of cookie baking. Happy baking, and don't forget to follow Family Cookbook Project on social media for more tips.